Hi, this is Allie from Allie's Crafts here to bring a really fun collaboration video to you. I did a fun collaboration slash swap with my friend Hillary of Creative Faith Co. She went shopping for me at Michael's and I went shopping for her at Hobby Lobby, and we challenged each other to use what we got from each of those stores in a Bible journaling page. So I'm just gonna be honest with you right off the bat. I totally journaled the wrong verse at first. I was thinking I was going to be in Isaiah 10. The verse actually said Isaiah 40. I was going off of a sticker that I was going to use. So I started in Isaiah 10 and then I started reading along and realized I was on the wrong page. But I kind of moved forward with it. I read some devotionals about what the verse I actually journaled on was about, and it really turned into a really great page. So I will leave some of those devotionals down below so you can kind of check them out as well, because Isaiah 10 is not something that a lot of people write about a lot, but I think it's really an important chapter. So here I'm just sticking down a stencil that I got from Crafter's Workshop, and I'm going to use the gelato that Hillary got for me in my favorite color, yellow. And I'm just putting a little bit in each one of those sections of the stencil, and then I'm going to take a baby wipe and kind of smear it all around to kind of really get that really, really intense color. So you just need a little bit, and I'm definitely in love with gelatos now. Super obsessed with them. I'm excited to grow my collection after using this particular one. So like I mentioned, I'm just using a baby wipe to kind of smear all that color around. I love the baby wipes because it's like a wet rag already, and it's just really easy to just throw away when you're done with it. And a lot of times they have like alcohol or something clean like that that kind of helps blend things together, and it really I love those properties. Here you can kind of see that the red from the page I did prior to this kind of bled through a little bit, but I actually really like that because it kind of almost shows like a gradient, and I really like that effect. So don't be afraid to kind of go with the flow if things don't exactly turn out in your Bible journaling pages. So I really love the stickers and the washi strips that Hillary picked up for me from Michael's and the Illustrated Faith washi line. And I really wanted to use one of the Beloved Society girls that she got for me. But I wanted to create a little bit more of a interesting background for her. So I tore off some of the washi strips, one of the clear stickers, stuck that down, and just wanted a little bit more area to just anchor the Beloved Society girl. So stuck it right in the corner just for a little bit of extra interest. Now here I kind of decided that I wanted a little bit more color and interest up top. So I stuck down that same stencil and then grabbed my mini distress inks from Tim Holtz and the little distress applicator and just kind of grazed that in on the stencil, tapped it a little bit, and then I am also going to go over this with a baby wipe just to kind of activate some of that that color, since Tim Holtz distress inks they react so well with water and just other liquids, and so I really wanted to get some of that watercolor effect on there, and I just did it right on top of the gelatos, and it made a really nice like gradient effect again, so I was really happy with how that turned out. The biggest lesson that was appearing to come out of all the devotionals that I was reading on these verses was that it may seem like crappy times are happening right now and things are just crazy, but God has a plan. God has a plan to bring glory. God has a plan to bring just God has a plan, like, and that is the biggest thing that I think is a big takeaway, and that's something that's really hard for me to remember a lot of times. So I really wanted to emphasize that in this page. God has a plan. He has a plan. He has a plan. So I used the letters from Illustrated Faith and Dayspring, the Homespun Alphas, and I did a couple different colors, white and blue. And then that Do Not Worry at the top is from Brianna Showalter in a set in the Print and Pray shop, and I just printed that on clear sticker paper. So since the white letters didn't really pop a lot, I took my Tombow markers and used just the skinny end and just outlined each of those just to really make it pop. Now, to just kind of finish this page off, I added some of the puffy heart stickers, which are my favorites. I go through like 4 packs of these. And then I also want to do some of the puffy crosses that Hillary got for me, and then add a date stamp, and then this page was done. And it gave me a really great lesson in just like adapting and then following what God's plan is. He didn't want me to be in another verse today. He wanted me to be in this page. And I'm really excited with how this page turned out. So here's the finished page. I love it. I love what Hillary sent me, and be sure to head over to her YouTube channel and check out what she made with what I sent her from Hobby Lobby. I think you're really gonna like it because I sent her some fun stuff. So if you haven't yet, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!